Okay, welcome back to our third web development tutorial series. This is the article we wrote yesterday to post on our web page, and this seems to be a little bit long and it looks ugly, so and I arrange all the words back over here. You can click upon here at the right corner. Please go and click upon the button and save it, and after that we can preview. This is the previous one, and after the updated it looks much better than before. Today I'm gonna show you the way to link our web page or website to another website. For example, right download, select it and go to link on the toolbar, which is supported by Blogger. Paste or search for a link. For example, we can search any link from Firefox or Chrome or from any such browser. For example, let me go to English learning with Anna. This URL, just select by clicking upon it. Just copy it and go back to your blog over here, and here paste or search for a link. Here just paste it, and after that apply it, and here you see download link. By clicking upon that, just click upon that, here we can see it will lead you to Anna's website. But this seems very bad because our website disappears. That means our website is replaced by Anna's website. So we don't want it to happen that way. We want our website to appear as well Anna's website to appear. So I'll give you the way to do that. Please go back. Go back and click upon that again, and go to insert or edit link and copy this URL link, copy it and paste upon it as you have done before. And here don't forget to tick it on open link in a new window. Don't forget to tick it here, tick it and apply it. And now you can click upon the download button, click it. Here a new tab comes out, and here it doesn't disappear. Here is your web page, and here is Anna's web page. It doesn't disappear. Here click upon the preview and save it, and we can preview now. Over here we can preview our web page. Oh, it looks very nice. And if you want to remove the link, just erase it. Just remove it, save it, and you can preview. Okay, over here no more download link is provided. If you want to provide download link, let me show you again. From here, right download, Anna's English tutorial. Select these words, and after that go to insert or edit link on the toolbar, which is provided by Blogger. Click upon that, and here paste or search for a link. Just search for a link on the website, and here over here just select it by clicking twice upon the HTTPS Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Just select it, copy it, and paste it over here. Just paste it and apply it. As soon as you apply, here you can click upon that. Click it. Okay, by clicking upon that, your website disappears. That means your website is replaced by Anna's English website. We don't want to happen that way. We want our website to appear as well Anna's. So let me show you the way to do that. Let's go back. Select again and click upon insert or edit link. And here, over here, as we did before, just copy it and paste it over here, and don't forget to tick here, over here, tick it, and you can apply. And from here, go to web page. Here is your web page as well. It doesn't appear, it doesn't disappear as well. Anna's English pops up here. Anna's English pops up over here. If you want to remove the long download link, you can just select it again over here. Oh, it doesn't provide the way to remove. No problem. Just delete it. You can just delete it. You can preview. Over here, no more download link. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and in the next tutorial I'm gonna show you the way to use the other tools. Thanks for watching.